Psychological hacks to make him fall for you, 10 secrets he can't resist. Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Ever wondered how to capture a man's attention and make him irresistibly drawn to you? Let me tell you a secret. It's not about manipulation. It's about understanding the psychology of attraction, the nuances of connection, the subtle art of making him feel like he's the only man in the room. In this video, I'm sharing 10 psychological hacks, let's call them insights, to make him fall for you. These are the secrets he won't be able to resist, because they tap into the core of who he is and what he craves. If you're ready to take your connection to the next level, to create a bond that's both exciting and meaningful, stay tuned. Making eye contact that counts. Let's start with the most powerful tool you have at your disposal, your eyes. Eye contact is the first hack, the initial spark that ignites attraction. It's a primal form of communication that transcends words, conveying confidence, interest, and a hint of intrigue. Hold his gaze for a beat longer than usual, just a second or two, and allow a soft, genuine smile to grace your lips. This sends a powerful message. I see you, I find you interesting, and I'm not afraid to show it. When someone holds your gaze, really holds it even for a moment, doesn't it make you feel seen, important, like you matter? That's the power you hold in your eyes. Use it wisely. So take a deep breath, channel your inner goddess, and go for it. You never know what a little eye contact might ignite. Subtly sinking your way to his heart. Have you ever noticed that when you're deeply engaged in a conversation with someone, you tend to unconsciously mirror their body language? You lean in when they lean in, you take a sip of your drink when they do. It's a fascinating phenomenon called mirroring, and it's a powerful tool for building rapport and connection. Here's the thing, we are naturally drawn to people who remind us of ourselves. When we see someone mirroring our behavior, it creates a subconscious sense of familiarity, of being on the same wavelength. It's like a silent language that whispers, we're connected, we're in sync. Now, I'm not suggesting you become a mime and copy his every move. Instead, focus on subtle mirroring. If he leans forward, lean forward slightly too. If he takes a sip of his drink, wait a beat, and then take a sip of yours. These subtle movements create a sense of harmony and connection, making him feel instantly more at ease and drawn to you. Keep it natural, keep it playful, and watch the magic unfold. The power of personalization. Let's talk about one of the most beautiful words in any language, a person's name. Your name is your identity, your unique signature in the world. And hearing it spoken aloud, especially by someone we're interested in, well, it's like music to our ears. Using his name in conversation is a simple yet powerful way to create a sense of intimacy and connection. It shows that you're paying attention, that you see him as an individual, and that you value his presence. These small tweaks in your language can have a big impact, making him feel seen, heard, and special. Becoming his confidant. In a world obsessed with being heard, the ability to truly listen is a rare and precious gift. And let me tell you, it's a gift that men crave, even if they don't always say it. Think about it. How often do you find yourself in conversations where the other person is just waiting for their turn to speak, not truly listening to a word you're saying? It's frustrating, right? Now, imagine the opposite. You're sharing something that matters to you, and the person across from you is completely present, hanging on to your every word, their eyes reflecting genuine interest and understanding. When you make a man feel heard, truly heard, you create a safe space for him to open up, to be vulnerable, to connect with you on a deeper level. So how do you become a better listener? It starts with putting aside your own agenda and focusing on him. Make eye contact, nod your head, and use verbal cues like "tell me more" or "that's fascinating" to show that you're engaged and interested. When you master the art of listening, you become more than just someone he's attracted to. You become his confidant, his sounding board, his safe harbor in a chaotic world. Fueling his fire, everyone craves appreciation, but men in particular thrive on it. It's in their DNA to be providers, protectors, achievers, and when their efforts go unnoticed or unappreciated, it can be a real blow to their ego. On the other hand, when you genuinely acknowledge and appreciate a man's efforts, it's like fuel to his fire. It makes him feel seen, valued, and respected. It reinforces his desire to show up as his best self, both for himself and for you. Now, I'm not talking about showering him with empty compliments, Authenticity is key here. Focus on the things he takes pride in, the things he puts his heart and soul into, whether it's his work, his hobbies, or even the way he handled a challenging situation. Notice the little things too. Did he cook dinner? Tell him how much you appreciate it. Did he fix something around the house? Express your gratitude. These small gestures of appreciation go a long way in building a strong foundation of respect and admiration, which are essential ingredients in any lasting relationship. Infusing your connection with laughter. Life is too short to be serious all the time, right? One of the most attractive qualities you can possess is a sense of playfulness, a willingness to let loose, have fun, and not take life too seriously. When you bring a sense of playfulness into your interactions, you create a relaxed and joyful atmosphere that's simply irresistible. Men are drawn to women who make them laugh, who can lighten the mood, who remind them that life is meant to be enjoyed. So, how do you infuse more playfulness into your connection? Start by embracing your inner child. Don't be afraid to be silly, to tease him gently, to make light of awkward situations. Share a funny story, tell a joke, or engage in some lighthearted banter. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool. It releases endorphins, reduces stress, and creates a sense of connection and intimacy. When he associates you with fun and laughter, he'll naturally want to be around you more. The allure of mystery, keeping him intrigued. We live in a world of instant gratification, where everything is available at our fingertips. But when it comes to matters of the heart, a little mystery goes a long way. Think about it. What's more intriguing? A book with all the answers on the first page, or a book that slowly unfolds, revealing its secrets chapter by chapter? The same principle applies to relationships. While honesty and authenticity are crucial, there's no need to lay all your cards on the table right away. In fact, a little bit of mystery can be incredibly alluring. It's about creating a sense of intrigue, of leaving him wanting more. Don't feel pressured to share every detail of your life story on the first date. Hold back a little, share just enough to pique his interest, and then let him discover the rest of you over time. This doesn't mean playing games or being dishonest. It's about maintaining a sense of self, of having your own life, your own passions, your own secrets. The more he has to uncover about you, the more invested he'll become. The power of independence, owning your worth. One of the most attractive qualities a woman can possess is a strong sense of independence. Men are drawn to women who know who they are, what they want, and aren't afraid to go after it. When you're comfortable in your own skin, pursuing your passions, and living a life that lights you up, you radiate an energy that's magnetic. It shows that you're not defined by a relationship, that you have your own world, your own dreams, your own sense of purpose. It's not about being aloof or playing hard to get. It's about genuinely enjoying your own company, having your own interests, and making time for the things that bring you joy. When you prioritize your own happiness and fulfillment, you become a more vibrant, attractive, and well-rounded individual. And that's the kind of woman who captivates a man's heart and makes him want to be a part of her world. The radiance of positivity, becoming his sunshine. Have you ever noticed how some people just seem to light up a room? They walk in with a smile on their face, a spring in their step, and a contagious energy that lifts everyone around them. These are the people who radiate positivity. And let me tell you, their energy is magnetic. We're naturally drawn to people who make us feel good, who inspire us to see the best in ourselves and the world around us. And that's exactly what positive energy does. It's not about being happy all the time or ignoring life's challenges. It's about approaching life with a sense of optimism, gratitude, and resilience. So how can you cultivate more positivity in your own life? Start by focusing on the good. Make a conscious effort to notice and appreciate the little things that bring you joy, whether it's a beautiful sunset, a heartfelt conversation, or a simple act of kindness. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who lift you up, books that inspire you, and activities that bring you joy. When you radiate positivity, you become a beacon of light in his life. The art of the chase, letting him pursue your heart. In the game of love, sometimes the most powerful move is knowing when to step back and let him take the lead. Now, this doesn't mean playing hard to get or sending mixed signals. It's about respecting his need to pursue, to court, to win your affection. Think about it. What's more valuable? Something that's handed to you on a silver platter, or something you have to work for? Something you earn? When you allow a man to pursue you, to invest his time and energy in getting to know you, you create a sense of value and desire that deepens his feelings for you. It's not about playing games. It's about letting him show you that he's worthy of your time and attention. Don't be afraid to say no sometimes, to set boundaries, and to let him know that your time and affection are precious. When you do this, you create a dynamic where he's challenged to step up, to show you his best self, and to prove that he's worthy of your heart. Outro: unleash your inner siren, attract the love you deserve. And there you have it, the 10 psychological hacks to make him fall for you. Remember, it's not about manipulation. It's about creating a genuine connection based on attraction, respect, and mutual understanding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more relationship and personal growth tips. Share your favorite hack in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.